India is a country known for its knowledge in IT. An honorary consul from India was recently on the island. He sat down with Aruba's prime minister in hopes of exchanging knowledge in this area.
Ramsey Bolchand is being discreet in regards to the details discussed with Prime Minister Mike Eamon during their meeting. However, he says the goal is to strengthen the relationship between India and Aruba.
But I can tell you there were very positive discussions, which I hope will be a great help to Aruba because, I represent the country of India, and India is very big in IT and knowledge, and I hope that we can use this link to promote and bring into Aruba all these excellent IT people to develop more our knowledge base in this island of Aruba.
Honorary Consul Bolchand says Aruba should take advantage of the knowledge the Indian people have when it comes to the digital era.
I mean, you know very well that in the Silicon Valley, all the big CEOs are from India. And we should not neglect that, we should bring them here.
Indian merchants account for a large part of the business owners in downtown Orangstad. Mr. Bolchand says he can only see this trend growing.
I think it's very nice, you can see in downtown Aruba and different malls that the Indian community has opened beautiful stores and bring in products which the tourists like. And this can only happen when the Arubian government is open to invite them and sustain them and support them as entrepreneurs investing in Aruba. So basically, it's a very warm and good relationship, and it can only improve, And as when Aruba keeps on growing, I'm sure the Indian community will keep on growing and investing further, So it's a good relationship.
And that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back here on Wednesday night starting at 7:15 p.m. right here on Channel 15 ATV with all the latest in lifestyle topics and with all the latest on the island.